Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. Bitcoin, BTC, tickers down $22,378. Would need to return below $20,000 to reset, a key metric that covers speculative profit-taking, data shows. In the latest edition of its weekly newsletter, The Week on Chain, analytics firm Glassnode revealed that short-term holders, SDHs, might be dictating BTC price resistance. As BTC/USD climbed toward $25,000, SDHs, those holding coins for 155 days or less, began seeing substanti. This was captured by the market value to realized value, MVRV, metric, which compares the Bitcoin market cap to the value of coins moved on-chain. By comparing these two metrics, MVRV can be used to get a sense of when the price is above or below fair value and to assess market profitability, Glassnode explains in an accompanying guide. MVRV passed 1.2 on the way to multi-month highs, coinciding with $23,800 appearing as an area of BTC price resistance. As Glassnode writes, the possibility of SDHs taking profits tends to grow during periods where the average SDH is 20% plus in money, returning a SDH MVRV above 1.2. The recent rejection at the $23,800 level resonates with this structure, as the SDH MVRV hit a value of 1.2 before stalling. It continued this week. $19,300 would thus form something of a magnetic target in terms of profitability and incentive not to sell for SDHs. As Cointelegraph reported, Glassnode is not alone in suggesting that $20,000 may not hold as support for BTC/USD, and a new local low could form beneath that line in the sand. The realized price of the so-called old supply, the price at which it last moved on aggregate, currently sits at $23,500. Further reinforcing the area as a key battleground. On the downside, Bitcoin's combined realized price is $19,800, again feeding into the idea that this zone could ultimately form support. The Bitcoin economy often reacts not only to levels widely observed in traditional technical analysis but also the psychological cost basis levels of various investor cohorts printed on-chain. This takes place not only with respect to their realized price, but also regarding the degree of profit and loss held within their supply, Glassnode concluded. It has been roughly 4 days since the series of unfortunate events pushed the cryptocurrency market to take a massive turn for the worse, and it is still struggling to recover from the devastation that saw as much as $50 billion outflow from its market capitalization within a single hour on March 3. Specifically, the total crypto market cap is battling to hold above a $1 trillion psychological level, as at press time, stood at $1.03 trillion, recording a slight improvement of 0.51% over the past day but still a far cry from the amount recorded 7 days before, according to the data retrieved from the crypto tracking platform CoinMarketCap on March 7. More recently, however, the pressure seems to have slightly eased, as Bitcoin is recording a modest gain of 0.07% on the day, and Ethereum, ETH, has increased by 0.42%, but this is still not enough to more significantly reduce the difference in the crypto market cap between the present and 7 days before. Meanwhile, the events that could help the crypto market move toward recovery include crypto exchange Bybit's release of a crypto-enabled debit card powered by the MasterCard NYSE network and issued by Morwand, which allows users to easily transition from the crypto to the fiat world. On top of that, Nigel Green, CEO and founder of Devere Group, one of the world's largest independent financial advisory, asset management, and fintech organizations, has recently noted that the United States government's race for a digital dollar would fuel the case for Bitcoin. Yuga Labs, the parent company of Bored Ape Yacht Club, BOIC, have successfully winded up the 12-fold auction. The total number of successful bidders was 288 with an amount of $16.5 million. The bids were made in BTC, and the whole process of bidding created controversies in the crypto market. The dispute raised for the bidding methodology is that the bidder had to deposit the bitcoins, BTC, during the process of auction, along with an empty wallet for the deposit of inscriptions after the successful bid. If the bid becomes unsuccessful, the BTCs are sent back. Crypto netizens have criticized this process by comparing it with the Stone Age process. The bears are in full swing as of writing, as major cryptos bleed. According to CoinMarketCap, the crypto market shed 0.3% in the past 24 hours in total valuation. Popular cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum suffered corrections, pulling the entire market downwards. Nonetheless, the market is a dynamic entity, and when other cryptos suffer, others pad their investors' portfolios. These cryptos set themselves apart as they have the highest probability in pushing on the upside. On the 28th of February, Yuga Labs introduced the 12-fold, 300 pieces of inscriptions on the Bitcoin blockchain. The auction for the collection began on March 5, 3 p.m. Pacific Time, and concluded after 24 hours on March 6, 3 p.m. Pacific Time. The last block mined before 3 p.m. was the end line for the auction. In the package of 300 inscriptions, 288 were kept for auction and 12 are reserved for contributors, future donations, and philanthropic efforts by the Yuga Labs. Also, the minimum quantity of bids was 20,000 satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. During the auction, the successful smallest bid was for 2.2501 BTC, valuing $50,600. At the same time, the largest bid was for 7.1159, valuing $159,800. The popularity of Bitcoin NFT is not suspenseful, as the recent study from Galaxy Research predicted a $4.5 million market cap. But the credibility and uniqueness of the digital collectibles raise a question here. As the leading marketplaces create replicas of Ethereum NFTs and post them in Bitcoin ordinals to gain profit. Thank you for watching today's video on cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.